Understanding outlier detection in simple terms. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, outlier detection. This is a term you might come across in various fields, especially in statistics and data analysis. Don't worry if these concepts seem a bit complex. We're going to break them down into easy-to-understand pieces. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what an outlier is. Imagine you are measuring the heights of a group of people. Most people might be between 5 and 6 feet tall. But if someone is 8 feet tall, they stand out from the rest. This person is an outlier. They are not like the others in the group because their height is significantly different. In simpler terms, an outlier is something that is very different or unusual when compared to the rest of the group. Now, let's talk about detection. Detection is a fancy word for finding or discovering something. When you look for something and find it, you have detected it. In our daily life, we detect many things, like detecting a friend in a crowd or detecting the smell of food. Combining these two concepts gives us outlier detection. It means finding or discovering things that are unusual or significantly different in a group. For example, in a class test, if most students score between 70 to 80%, and one student scores 100%, that student's score is an outlier. Detecting outliers is important because it helps us understand if there is something special or different going on. Maybe the student who scored 100% studied extra hard, or there was a mistake in grading. Outlier detection helps us ask the right questions and find explanations for unusual occurrences. Understanding outlier detection is crucial because it's used in many fields. For instance, in business, it helps detect fraud, like unusual transactions in a bank account. In healthcare, it can find unusual patient symptoms that need special attention. So, outlier detection is a tool that helps us make better decisions by noticing and investigating what stands out. And that's a wrap on our exploration of outlier detection. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting concept and made it easier to understand. Remember, outliers are those unique or unusual items in a group, and detecting them helps us make sense of the world in a more detailed way. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.